morning everyone, this will be the official tour of 2018 for Huntingdon Public School, and so if you will all please come with me, I'll take you around. Right, gather around everyone. Now this is our fabulous new 3D printer teacher. And this here is our exciting new virtual reality booth.
Oh my gosh, this is so real! Wow, this is amazing! It was so real.
And these students are programming a real live robot.
Go left, go left! Achoo!
Ah, she really is allergic to flowers.
At Huntingdon Public School we have great teachers, wonderful students and amazing imaginations. Imagine what we could do with the $10,000 technology grant from HP.
Malfunction, 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 malfunction.